Welcome, here I've got Sony Xperia 5 III and let me show you how to record slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now, as you can see in the right corner, we are on basic camera mode. Now let's move to left side and tap to more, so we can get access to more modes of this camera. One of them is slow motion, so let's pick it. And here we are, we get access to HardReset.Info that we can record a 120 fps slow motion video in HD, so got it. And here we are, we can start recording our video by simply tapping on the big red shutter button at the center. So let me start to show you how it works. And now let's stop by tapping again on shutter button to see the video. Let's move to the left one that follows us straight to the gallery. And here we can play it by using center button. As you can see, this is how slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.